YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms for growing an audience for your small business. But if your channel isn't optimized, you could be missing out on some serious exposure. So let's fix it. Hi, I'm Brandon from Pixel Lab Academy, your go-to source for smart marketing strategies that help take your small business to the next level. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to set up your business's YouTube channel the right way, from creating the account to optimizing your settings and branding. But first, I invite you to enroll in our new free Essential Video Marketing course by clicking the link in the description below to get even more tips on how to grow your business with video. Okay, ready? Let's get started. To get started with your business YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is create the actual channel. If this sounds intimidating, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Now, since YouTube is owned by Google, you'll need a Google account. If you don't already have a Google account for your business, go to accounts.google.com and create one. Once it's set up, you're ready to create your YouTube channel. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to the page where you can create your YouTube channel. Once you click the link, sign in using your business Google account. You will now be asked to create a name for your channel. This should be either your business name or something that makes it obvious what your channel is about. For example, if your business is called Smith's Coffee Shop, your YouTube channel could simply be Smith's Coffee Shop, or something like Smith's Coffee Guide. After you've chosen a name and agreed to the terms, click Create, and that's it. Your channel is now live. But before you start uploading your first video, there's a lot more we need to do to make sure your channel is optimized and ready for prime time. All right, now that you've got your channel set up, let's make sure it looks as professional as possible by adding your business's branding. This will help your channel stand out and give visitors a clear sense of who you are and what your business and channel are all about. Let's start with the basics. From your YouTube homepage, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is where you'll manage your channel, upload videos, and check your analytics. But right now, we're focused on branding. On the left-hand menu in YouTube Studio, you'll see an option called Customization. This is where we'll add your business logo, banner image, and other branding elements. All right, let's start by uploading your banner image. This is the first thing that people will see when they visit your channel, so let's make it count. The banner image is the large image that stretches across the top of your YouTube channel page and is a great place to visually communicate what your business is about. In the banner image section, click Upload. You want to choose an image that reflects your brand. This could be a combination of your logo, brand colors, or even a slogan that tells visitors what they can expect from your channel. For example, if you own a bakery, you can include photos of your signature cakes or something like your tagline. If you're not a graphic design wizard, I would suggest using a tool like Canva to find pre-made templates for YouTube banners. The recommended size for your banner image is 2560 by 1440, but it will be cropped differently depending on the device viewing it. Make sure that all the key information like your logo and text fits within the safe area of 1235 by 338. To ensure it won't get cut off on smaller screens. Thankfully, once you upload your image, YouTube will let you preview how it appears on various devices, so you can make sure that it looks its best on every platform. Next, we'll add your profile picture, which will appear throughout YouTube, including next to all of your videos, comments, and in search results. So it's important that it's eye-catching and reflects your brand. Now, in the picture section, click Upload and choose your business logo. The ideal size for your profile picture is 800 by 800 in PNG or GIF format. It is uploaded in a square format, but actually displays as a circle throughout the site. So keep this in mind when uploading your logo. In addition to adding visuals like your profile picture and banner image, there's also an area to include information about your business and channel, and show viewers how to connect with you. Similar to how they work on other social media platforms, handles are unique short identifiers that start with the @ symbol and make it easy for people to tag you in posts or search for you. Choose a handle that reflects your business name or brand. Now, similar to your channel name, this could be something like your business name or something that tells viewers what your channel is about. Just make sure that it is short and simple. Your channel description plays a huge role in attracting new viewers and improving your YouTube SEO. The first 150 characters are the most important because they may get truncated in search results. So you want to start with a compelling hook about your business. Include the type of content you'll be posting, your posting schedule, and why people should subscribe. And be sure to include relevant keywords to help people find your channel. In the links section, you can add external links that will appear on your channel profile and about page. This is your opportunity to link to your business's website, online store, or social media profiles for viewers who want to learn more about your business. To add a link, click Add Link. Type in the link name, for example, visit our website, and paste the URL. You can add up to 5 links, and the first one will be prominently displayed under your channel banner. If you want potential clients or customers to contact you directly, you can add an email address in the Contact Info section. This will appear in the About section of your channel, making it easy for people to reach out with business inquiries. And finally, you can add a video watermark to your videos. This is a small image that appears in the corner of your videos, reminding viewers to subscribe as they watch. Scroll down to Video Watermark and click Upload. This is where you can upload a small version of your logo that will appear on all of your videos. It's usually placed in the bottom right-hand corner, and when hovered over, encourages viewers to subscribe to your channel. The recommended size for the watermark is 150 by 150 pixels and should be a transparent image, something like a PNG, so it doesn't cover up too much of your video content. Once you've uploaded your watermark, you can choose when it will appear on your videos. You have 3 options: display it throughout the entire video, at a specific time, or just at the end of the video. And there you have it. Your YouTube channel now looks professional, with your business logo, banner, and watermark in place. These elements not only make your channel look polished, but also help build brand recognition. In our next video, we are going to dive a little deeper into more advanced settings that you can take advantage of to optimize your channel even farther. And here's where I throw it out to you. If you're new to YouTube, what are you struggling with the most when it comes to getting started on YouTube? Let me know in the comments below so I can address it in a future video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button for more marketing related content to help you grow your small business. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to enroll in our free Video Marketing Essentials course and learn how to create killer video content for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.